Hello, everyone. Welcome to another day of Preschool Online. Are you ready to get started? Let's start off with the Pledge of Allegiance. Right hand on our heart, eyes on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we'll reach our dreams. All right, let's take a look at today's date, and it's somebody's birthday. It is Miss Rosalind's birthday. All right, let's sing it. Hopefully it works out.
You told me that only Experian Boost could raise my credit scores.
Rosalind. Yay! Happy birthday, Rosalind. All right. And today is Thursday, March 26, 2020. And it is Rosalind's birthday. This is my last preschool for this week because tomorrow is my birthday. And I will not be doing preschool. I'm going to have a special day with my family. So Saturday is the 28th. The 29th is Sunday. And we'll be back here on Monday. All right. We predicted sun for today, and it is sunny out there. Dry up all that rain. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? I hear some sun with some clouds. All right. Put that right there in our prediction square. And let's say our alphabet. Are you ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right. Let's count to 20. Who feels like hopping? Let's hop and count at the same time. Are you ready? Let's jump and say 1. And give me a hop for 2. 3, hop. 4, and hop. 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep hopping. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job, hoppers. Let's count backwards from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Can you find something that is blue? What is something that is blue? There. Yes, sadness is blue. Let's find a shape. How about, can you find the shape that is green? What shape is green? It's the circle. Yes, it is. That is green. Our nursery rhyme this week is Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, down the mouse ran. Hickory Dickory Dock.
Sing a song we'll all sing along with the Butterkins Club. The Butterkins Club. I'm so hungry. Look, eat cheese. Eat, eat. Looks like it's time to eat. Hickory dickory extra too, and down he flew. Hickory dickory dock. Cheese, anyone?
That's just silly. All right. Let's take a look at our change. What is this one right here? A nickel. Here, dime. This one, quarter. And right here is a penny. Excellent. What number is this? 9. 1, 7, 4, 6, 2, 8, 5, 3. And our letter this week is the letter N. N says like Nemo and noodles. All right, letter N. This is our last day with the letter N. Let's go ahead and sing about where we start our letters.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you'd better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top.
Where?
Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top.
Here we go.
Is this the top? No,
Oh, it's the bottom.
Is this the top? No, it's
The middle.
Is this the top? Yes, it's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach up.
Way up is at the top.
Yes, it's the top. Reach up and touch the top.
Reach down. Way down is at the bottom. Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
Let's do I's.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top.
Going
Is
down.
this the top?
Then it's the bottom.
Is this the top?
Then it's the middle.
Is this the top?
It's the top.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Move to the rhythm.
Alright. We're making the letter N today. N starts with a big line down under Mr. Matt's smiling face. And we grab another big line and make it into a slide. And then we grab a big line up to make the letter N. Alright, you ready? My turn. Hands in lap, listening ears on, inside voices off. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. Sorry. Let's try that again. How about it? Big line down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Big line up. All right. Let Mrs. Mozingo try it again because obviously I need practice. Here I go. Big line down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Big line up. All right, your turn. Do it with me. Here we go. Starting at the top. Big line down. Frog jump up. big slide down, big line up. All right, today I'd like you to practice writing the letter N and practice writing your first name, and possibly, if you already know your first name, start writing your last name. So that's a little assignment to do today. Practice writing the letter N, and we start at the top. We write a big line down. We lift our pencil or crayon or whatever we're going to write with, jump to the top of that line, and then we do a big slide down and keep our pencil or crayon right here, and then just go up for a straight line. All right, try that today, and also practice writing your name first and possibly last. All right, have a great weekend. I will see you on Monday, and I hope you'll come and listen to a story today. It is about a community helper. It's a trash truck. It's one of my favorites. Hope to see you for story. Bye, everyone. Happy birthday, Rosalind. I miss you all so much. Bye.